Hey everyone, I'm Richard. This was me over 6 months ago. I was overweight and not happy with how I was looking generally. So I decided to take back control through some healthy living choices. A little over 5 months later, I had lost 3.5 stone in weight and I started to feel amazing. If you're looking to shed some excess weight fast, then the Lose Your Belly diet is for you. By taking this course, you'll learn tips and techniques to getting a flatter and leaner looking belly in a matter of a few short months. Here's what we cover in this course. How belly fat makes everything worse. How did it get like this? The problem is energy, not time. The simplest diets for fighting belly fat. How to measure and maintain a calorific deficit. Is it possible to target certain areas for weight loss? The role of hormones in weight loss. The cycle of the body. The role of carbs and fats. Fitting a diet into your lifestyle. Other factors often overlooked by diets. Most important of all, nutrients. Why modern diets are the worst. Lose Your Belly diet. Calorie tracking made easy. Ride the tide. It's not just about the food. More ways to get your body on your side. Training for six-pack abs and an amazing body. Work and show off those abs. Weight loss for ab definition.